Hey there, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 laws of getting rich. Whether you are just starting out your financial journey or you are looking to build wealth, these laws will help you to reach your goals. Let's dive in. The law of saving. The first thing is the law of saving. The first law of getting rich is to save your money. This means living below your means, paying yourself first. You have to pay yourself first. So this is the first law, paying yourself first and making saving a priority. You have to set saving your first priority. The more money you save, the faster you will be able to reach your financial goal. Okay, the second one, the law of investment. The second law of getting rich is to invest your money. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles that have the potential to grow your wealth over time. By investing your money, you can increase your wealth and reach financial freedom faster. The law of networking, that's the third law of making money. That's the third law of getting rich. The law of networking is to build a strong network. Networking with other successful individuals can help you to learn from their experiences, make valuable connections, and open up new opportunities for wealth building. The law of education. The fourth law of getting rich is to continuously educate yourself. By learning about money, investing, and personal finance, you can make informed decisions that will help you build wealth and reach your financial goals. And another law, the law of action. The final law of getting rich is to take action. Simply knowing these laws is not enough. You need to put them into practice and take action to make them work for you. Whether that means setting a budget, investing your money, or building a strong network. Taking actions is the key to building wealth and reaching financial freedom. So, there you have it, the 5 laws of getting rich. By following these laws and making smart money decisions, you can start building wealth and securing your financial future. Thanks for watching.